This is the home gym by Sports Royals. I will tell you more about it while we unbox it and we work out a little bit later. But first of all, let me just tell you, look up the brand. It's a solid brand. Second, there's a 150-pound weight stack. That's plenty enough for me and my family. Maybe if you're training for the Olympics, it's not enough for you, but for most people, it's plenty. We're actually gonna take a corner of the garage back there and reorganize, and we're gonna have ourselves a home gym at home. Now, it is affordable and it is durable. It's got this H thing happening here, all this structure to where whenever you're moving around and lifting weights and stuff, it doesn't shake, so it's very stable, but also the metal is about 2 millimeters thick. So I would say that is not like as heavy duty as the stuff I used in college, but it's absolutely plenty enough for the home gym. Really impressed with it. And it's pretty easy to put together too. So let me show you this real quick and then we'll get to working out and I'll tell you more about it as we do. Here's the instruction manual. There are steps to be followed. It took me 3 hours to put it together. My son helped at the very end with the pulleys. What I really liked most about it is it's got a really wide base on the back and another little bit on the front here, so it's sturdy. Also love the fact that every single step in the instructions, like all the parts are on this big board and there is a line going around every step. So once you're done with all the washers and the bolts in that area, then you move on to the next one. So it's really easy, even though there's lots of steps, you get it done pretty quick. So really like that. Lastly, it's a ton of functionality in one unit. I mean, it's like tons of machines, legs and arms and everything, and it's really great. So let's get to work. I'll unbox it at the end. We'll do some working out, and all in all, pretty cool. All right, come on. All right, we're gonna work out, and I'll just tell you stuff as we go. All right, so this thing does 35 plus exercises. Now, we've probably done 20, but I'm sure we'll keep figuring more and more out. But my favorites are the bench press, the leg extension, lat pull downs, tricep extension, curls, including the preacher curls. I like that a lot. Chest flies. I even do calf raises. I just get on the back leg back there that's on the ground and just use that as a step, a little 2-inch rise. Do my calf raises there. It's really, really functional. So 150-pound stack, which again is plenty enough for me, but I will say when you make some adjustments along the way, like right here, I'm pulling these backwards, it makes for a deeper press. Whew, that makes that 150 a whole lot heavier. And so if you're worried about the weight, well then move up. But if you think you're in the good zone, just know that you're gonna get more out of it than you even think, because you can raise and lower the seat, and then you can also pull those arms back and forward. You can extend chains further just to make it easier or harder. So there's a lot of functionality. All right, again here, we're just doing some exercises. I like this right here. We're pulling this preacher curl, this little arm pad off, and we're gonna put this leg press extension on here. And it's just, again, just lots and lots of exercises. It's all pretty compact, and it's just kind of nice that you can just tuck it away over there on the side, and it's not just laying on the ground either. So here my son is doing this, and then shortly my daughter's gonna get on there, and we really should have lowered the leg extension, a little leg press down 2 or 3 notches. We're just still learning the machine, but you can see it's a pretty good angle for him. But then here, we moved the feet closer to my daughter, but we should have dropped it lower as well so she could get a better and deeper press, but we're learning. So, but you can see there, we moved the weight and she's able to dial it in right where she wants it. All right, now this is a new one. This is for abs. We've never had this before, but it really hit. In fact, the next morning I woke up and I was a little bit sore and I was like, why am I sore? And oh yeah, I did that. So, all right, here's what I was talking about. There's so many extensions. I'm gonna pull this longer bar down, and this is a good example. We first started using this to do some curls here, and we did not have the chain on there. And it was a little clunky. It was like, it's a little tougher on the back, and it wasn't happening. So after that, a little bit of that, we moved on, added some extension to it, and it was just so much better. So I think that's the point. You can kind of play with it, you can mix and match, and it's just really versatile. So again, 35 plus exercises. There's a lot to do there. Look at that pulley system at work. It's pretty remarkable. It's just the engineering of it all. how many pulleys there are and how it's going up and down and around. So cool. All right, what else can I tell you? I guess I want to brag on the footprint. I didn't think we had enough space in our garage to do a home gym, but we're going to take that back corner where the bikes are and move that metal rack somewhere else, and we're just going to put it back there, and we've got space because this really doesn't take up that much room, and then there's nothing that's flying out. It's all contained inside the unit. Just really, really impressed with it. I'm gonna adjust this seat down lower. And again, like that made the exercise just that much harder. So I had to reach for it, had to pull down, extend. I just like it. So if you're, like I said earlier, kind of jokingly, if you're training for the Olympics, this may not be what you want, but for me, I'm in my mid 40s. I've got my girls, they're still in athletics, and I want to just kind of help them do a little bit of training. We're not going to get to the gym. We're very, very busy with our occupations. And so this just gives us something at the house. All the obvious reasons that people want a home gym, but this really does meet the needs. It's affordable, and it's got a really small footprint. I like it. All right, then there's some exercises that we probably will never do again, but there's just so many of them. It's just like, this is so cool. Now, my daughter actually did like the idea of this, but my son was like, okay, whatever. So we're gonna zone in on probably 8 or 10, or at least I will, including the lat pull down and the leg press and the bench and the tries and the curls, but it's cool knowing there's a whole lot more to kind of grow into. All right, so again, it's a big hit. Even got my father-in-law over here. He wanted to try it. And he lives nearby, and he's gonna come over and use it as well, especially while we're out of the house. So it's kind of cool. He was excited about it. Keeps him from having to drive all the way into the gym too. So, all right, what else can I tell you? The company, I looked it up, done a little research on the company. It's pretty solid. Look it up. I can't really say too much because of the things you're allowed to say on these videos and stuff, but like they're involved in the community. They're endorsing sports teams and activities, and it's really cool what they're doing. So look them up. I think it's a very high-end, very good home unit. Like I said, it's not like super Olympic style training like I had in college in the gyms, but that's not what you want. That's not what you need, and that's not what you're paying for. You're paying for a very solid but good home system. All right, Sports Royals did reach out to me, and they did send this to me for a review. I was happy to make the review for them. Really impressed with it. This will live in my garage for a while, and it's for several years probably, if not more. So, okay, so sorry about this. I just for fun, I made a little unboxing video, but it was blurry. But I will get a picture here in just a second so you can see all the parts. Don't be intimidated. The step-by-step instructions are really good, and the videos they have online are really, really good, really helpful. So you can do it. It took me 3 hours, like I said, and that was a little help at the very end with my son with the pulleys, but pretty cool. So here it is again. You can just do the install with the tools that are included. I'm using a drill here with a socket, which really made it fun and fast. But I've put these things together before with just the tools that come with it. It does add a little bit of time, but I would recommend, if you have the drill and the socket, to use that. Everything's just fitting perfectly. I was not missing anything. I actually had a few extra washers, and they told me these are extra washers. It wasn't like I just forgot to put them somewhere. So it's a great unit. All right, I hope this helps. If you're looking for a home gym, you should certainly consider this one. This is Sports Royals, and I'm very impressed. My kids were really adamant. We want to keep this, Dad. We want this in our garage. So it's going to be in the garage. Bicycles have got to move, but it's going to be in there, and we're gonna get some good use out of it. So again, hope it helps, and y'all have a great day. I will not be seeing you in the gym. I'm going to work out here in the garage. All right, take care.